Your Zoom account that you have been using can be deleted successfully by using any of the suitable web browser. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here zoom.us. This will take you to the official website of a Zoom app. Now, tap on the three straight horizontal lines next to host. Make sure to get logged in, and if you haven't yet, tap on sign in below. You can see that I am already logged in. You can get sign in just like this. Now for a better resolution and exposure, tap on these three straight vertical dotted lines on the top right corner. You can keep it to a desktop side. For that, tap on desktop side. So you can see that you're currently into your desktop side. Zoom in to the right part. And on the top right corner, you can see an option of support. Tap on it. To get help related to delete account, tap on account and billing, tap on my account. On the top, scroll down, tap on account profile, scroll down. Here you can see help regarding terminate my account, where you can permanently delete your Zoom account. Tap on terminate my account, scroll down. So here you can see that you need to get into an account management section to account profile. So tap on account profile, scroll down. So on the bottom you can see an option of terminate my account. Tap on terminate my account. Now enter your password connected to this account. When you're done keeping your password, tap on continue below. You can see that you have successfully deleted your Zoom account. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.